Hey guys, so you guys see I have my scarf on. To be honest, your girl's tired. I feel like every day I've been ripping and running, and it's only Wednesday, mind you. As you guys can see, it's Wednesday, March 26th. First off, I want to say thank you and welcome to all my new subscribers. I haven't been saying that because sometimes I'm just like filming my videos so quickly, but thank you to everybody who has been subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. But yeah, I don't know how long this vlog is going to be. I want to stay consistent, and I honestly had content that I wanted to film yesterday, but by the time I got home I was like tired. Well, actually I didn't want to film because I feel like sometimes when I have to film like me doing my toes and stuff like that, so I have to do my toes. I don't remember if I talked to you guys about this in another vlog, but long story short, when I initially did my toes back in earlier this March, it was shipping like the next week, and I don't know, like the nail salon that I normally go to, I don't know what they were doing, so I actually just ended up doing my toes myself yesterday. But I was like, all the time it's gonna take for me to prep my nail, blah blah blah, it was just gonna be too much. Now I still gotta take off my nails. I was about to do that today, and I'm like, what am I doing? I need to go sit down somewhere. I'm tired. My nails grow pretty fast, but I had on acrylic for like 2 months now. I did my nails back in February. It's now March, so it's about to be a full 2 months. Maybe it was a little bit earlier than that. No, it was in January. I definitely did it like maybe the week before Valentine's Day I did my nails. So, but it's still been a long time. But yeah, now I'm ready to take them off. Ready to have my actual natural hair nails back. My goal was, I'm gonna do it Sunday though, when it's like lax. I don't really have anything to do. I'm off the following day, but I'm going out the following day. But I was like, at least Sunday, all I have is I'm gonna go to the gym, and then by the time I come back, I'll shower, whatever, and then I'll focus on doing that. And I have something else I have to do, and then I'll probably just do a gel manicure at home because I have all the tools. Like, and I'm like, you know what? Let me save money where I can, right? So anyway, really quickly, I got some stuff from Antiguan. I just put them to the side. I actually got this because sometimes when I'm watching stuff at work, it's annoying when I can't hold my phone up. So I got this little folding desktop stand from Temu. So you just open it. I could have got this from anywhere, but it's cheaper on Temu. So if it would open. Yeah, I just got it in black, and then you just put your phone. So I'm gonna start carrying this to work. So sometimes when I want to watch something, what is this? I don't know. It came with like something. I don't know on the side. It was like $3, $4. I don't remember. Next thing I'm gonna try it on, and maybe I can show you guys. I would have to change my tripod stand though to show you guys the dress. She just opened my planner because I already started writing things that I needed to do. As you can see, April is filled up, but I have a few other things. I'm trying to write like events I'm doing. My April's pretty much planned. My goal though is to actually remember to film it for you guys because I actually have a lot of fun things that I'm gonna do in April and I'm excited about. So I'm gonna do that. But anyway, and then I think I got some light stockings. This weekend is supposed to be really nice. Well, Saturday is supposed to be like 76 degrees, so I might not even wear stockings to church. But these are apparently supposed to be very like good stockings because I feel like as a girly who has like a lot of shape, some stockings don't go up my leg and it's annoying. They're always falling down. I got a set of black. They said this is good for like plus size, so I'm gonna try it. A lot of people are saying it's good. It feels like good quality too. The brand is called Manzi. Because I have another brand that I don't remember where I got it from. I think it was from one of the 99-cent stores or whatever by my house. But they're very thick. They're like more for winter. I can't wear that forever. Like I need some for springtime that are like light. So I got 2 packs of this because I always need black. I got 2 of them. And then that was pretty much it for my order. And like I said, I have this dress for the event. I'm gonna actually need to try it on. I mean, if it doesn't fit, then I mean I'll return it. But I think by looking at it as I open it up, it's gonna fit. This is what it looks like. I wanted something pink. I have pink, but like one of them was like long sleeve, and it didn't give me like vibes of like spring. I wanted something spring. And then the other thing was, I feel like it wasn't elegant enough for the type of pictures I want to take at the the event. So I got this. I thought it was a nice dress, and this is a dress I can actually wear multiple times to other things. So it's like, it's not gonna go to waste. That's one thing. Sometimes I'll buy a dress for occasions, but I always find a way to wear it again. I can wear this again somewhere. I thought it was gonna be really short, but just looking at it, it doesn't look that short. I'm gonna actually try it on now so we can make sure it fits, and then I'll show you guys how it looks on me. Alright, so this is what the dress is looking like. Obviously, when I go to the event, you'll know what it's for. But yeah, it's cute. I don't wanna show too much because I'm not wearing a bra. But yeah. So this is what it looks like. Has a little like ruffle on the bottom, ruffle arms, and then yeah. Sorry, this is the best way I can show you guys in my mirror. But yeah, I like it's cute. It's simple but cute at the same time. Obviously I'm gonna have to shave my legs because yeah, but yeah, I like this. And I like that it's not too long, it's not too short at the same time. And then yeah, that I bought. But yeah, just so you guys can see closer, see what I'm talking about, like the ruffle things, and then you would just tie the top like that. But yeah, so alright, so really quickly, what I wanted to talk to you guys about was I'm actually like, you know what, I want to start early so that Sunday I'm chilled. And also wait, oh, Monday, actually April 1st doesn't start until Tuesday, but that's fine. I already know what I have left for for March. I have a meeting tomorrow, and that's pretty much it, and I'm off on Monday. So I kind of just want to start do my calendar now and be done. That way, when we rush into April, I have other content that I actually have to do. I have some brand content. I'm just writing it down as I remember on the sidebar for me to remember in my planner. I'm trying to think what else. I'm sure there's going to be other things that's happening in April. But this is just the general stuff that I wrote down that I remember that's happening. And then if anything else happens or comes to my mind, then I'll write it down. Oh, one thing I wrote down, so every year they do like this Work Well New York City, and it's kind of like a wellness challenge. So it's like a step challenge. I do a lot of steps anyway. I already meet the goal. We didn't even start yet. I already met the goal for today. I put about 10,000 steps as my goal. Last time I checked it, I'll go on the wellness app. So I joined. Normally I never join, but I decided to join this year. It's a nice way to like work, you know, just a nice incentive. You do win a prize if you win something. They said the breakfast of the champions. I don't know what day it is. If I win, that depends. I don't know. But it's still a good initiative to like get your body moving. So yeah, it's called Let's Move New York City Step Challenge. So it's specific to New York City. So let me just show you. I'm trying to cover my school because my school's name is on the bottom. But I can show you the top. So it says Let's Move New York City Step Challenge. I walk a lot of steps, at least from Monday through Friday. Work day wise, I always walk a lot of steps. So I always surpass 10,000. But the goal is, the cap, your challenge goal is to get at least 35,000, it looks like, a day. Or you could stick to one goal, which is reaching 10,000 steps in a day. I already did it, but it says 24 times over the course of 30 days. So we haven't started 30 days. Now I have to factor in the days that I'm off. I have a whole week break coming off. 2 of the days I am going to be out, so I may meet the 10,000. But the other days, like if I don't go, like I'm going to try to be in the gym, obviously. Which I don't know if I am, because I was just checking my tracker. And that might be the week I get my cycle. So that's going to mess me up. Content plan for you guys, which I need to write that, but I'm going to write that for myself. I'm not going to write it on my board. I do have content, and I also got to fill this part out too. I like to do this for every month, like my goals and blah blah blah. So I'm going to work on writing that out. And then there's always a quote. So like it says, make your dreams happen. I do have a lot of goals, but so maybe I'll do that. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me work on the calendar. Then maybe I'll give you a little montage of me just filling this out. I'm starting early. I know it's not April yet, but doesn't mean you can't have a plan. It's good to, I like to be organized and have a plan early rather than later. And then after that, I'm just gonna watch some TV. Actually, I'm gonna start watching the show now while I'm doing this.